Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, my wisdom warriors, I see this pop up in the article. I say, me have to run come make uno know. Yeah, me have to run come tell uno the people them business. Uno can't imagine? Government pay hefty sum for services of UK law firm in cartel appeal. $36 million British bill. My wisdom warriors, the government spent 659,000 Britain money. Yeah. That is equivalent to 36.2 Jamaican dollar for the services of the British legal team that represented Jamaica in the Vybz Kartel appeal before the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council, JCPC, in the United Kingdom. Official data obtained by the Sunday Gleaner has revealed, and with the government already ordered by the JCPC to pay the legal costs incurred by Kartel and his three co-accused, legal experts says the appeal before Jamaica's apex court could easily cost taxpayers 150 million in lawyer fees. My wisdom warriors, wanna see what I go on from what I go on? That's why me did have to run come telling the people them business. Me did have to run coming at the Sunday morning here. Seriously, you can't imagine how much money. This is stifling taxpayer money, you know. You know that though. This is stifling taxpayer money, and there's a lot of things need to be done in Jamaica. Lot of things, my wisdom warriors. Right now, see what is coming to Jamaica. I hope God turn it back. But see, hurricane is on its way coming to Jamaica. So if the hurricane really come and lick, you don't know how it go. So this is what I'm trying to say. The retrial thing, where the DPP, them a kill up themselves to make cartel do. Uno lego that. Look how much money uno have to fork out and pay. Look how much money. Uno have money. Say Nigel Clark, same one day. Me talk about it in my video yesterday. Nigel Clark and Andrew Holness, I go collect how much million US borrow them a borrow from the IMF. Uno know how that I go put Jamaica in a debt, they know? Uno know that. And when done, uno say, uno care about Jamaican people. Uno spend how much money? 36.2 million Jamaican dollar. Pay to the king, to England, for cartel. I know say all of this could have prevented. All of this could have prevented. If the Supreme Court did just listen to the lawyer them, but no. They override everything. Yeah, if they did just listen. But one time I start to try to explain, no, they don't want to hear nothing, they still do as them like. I don't feel with fault. Say the DP people that shouldn't pay that out of their own pocket. I shouldn't them, I shouldn't the court system. I shouldn't the judge, the lawyer, the whole of them pay that out of them pocket. Yeah, because of them make it reach to Privy Council in the first place, and they know what them did was wrong. Jamaica right now, Andrew Holness, we talk about them now borrow again. See, them turn to the IMF. Yeah, them turn to the IMF. And IMF, them a wait for your approval for see if IMF are going to give them the 200 and how much add million US dollar. So no know then Jamaica gone back to square one. So when Andrew Holness take this money here, Uno know say that I go hurt taxpayers, you know. Uno did know that? It a go hurt we the taxpayers. We are go in a debt for a good time. When me tell you no, decades pan top of decades, pan top of decades, pan top of decades. Uno love borrow so. Uno come on platform and tell lie but uno stop borrow. Uno stop borrow and look. Look who uno gone now. Uno gone back at IMF. For borrow how much? 262 million US dollar. For do what? For do what? Different countries always are giving no money. Free of cost. Other day, Babs Grange collect 31 million. Plus other day again, she collect how much? Add million. When una get the money, what una really are do with it? What una really are do with it? Me not say una do not know. Because the things that when me say Andrew Owens claim say my bill up, I be investors and stakeholders is a part of it. So what una really are do with the Jamaican money? I don't understand. I really don't get it. And see how much money una pay. Figure a privy council for cartel they know. And una still want come drain my pocket. You DPP, why you not gonna take for your money? Since as una kill up on yourself for the retrial for cartel. You know some I do not want cartel for go to no retrial, you know. I just want cartel for just be free. A long time in India jail. A long time in India jail. Because enough time we see police boy and soldier boy kill. And nothing no come out of it. You understand? Not even one day they ain't go spend. Not even one day they ain't go spend in a prison. You understand me? And DPP make them walk free. And I'm not hide if you go check Google they all over there. And cartel were in there for 13 years. Let go the man now, man. Let go the man. Free up the man. And stop draining taxpayer money. You know, remember about the situation when I tell you what happened? Long time ago, I think it was 2010, 11, something down there. Or 13. I think it was around them time there. When two policemen decide say them a go abduct a little 10-year-old. And when they abduct the 10-year-old, what them do? They in KILL the 10-year-old. Yeah? And that them do. And what did Paula Llewellyn did? She said she not stress out taxpayer money. And she make them walk. So look how much money. Me can't believe someone really I do this for one man. Me can't believe. Something in and something my wisdom warriors. Wanna pay 30 odd million. 30 odd million to King. And then you don't want to come back again and pay how much money. Come on, man. You're not drain taxpayer money. You're not drain we, man. There's so much things needed to be done. Equipment need for buy. Things need for do. Mighty God. Things need to be done in Jamaica. Stop using money for foolishness. Wanna just stop that. It is uncalled for. Seriously. It is uncalled for. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. Missing is Shanique Davidson. She is only 17 years of age. She was last seen at her home, Lower Turnbridge, Kingston 19, on Thursday, June the 27th. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 4 feet 7 inches tall. She was last seen wearing a purple dress and black shoes. If anybody have seen this young lady, please to contact the Duhaney Park. Also, you can contact the nearest police station. My wisdom warriors, me tell you all the time, people is still going missing. If I know every single day or every other day, young, old, and baby going missing, my wisdom warriors. You understand me? And yet, Andrew Owens boss, when you have tracker and all know he can't track nothing. You understand? He can't find these little babies. He can't find these young people that is going missing. So anybody have seen this young lady? I'm asking you guys, anybody have seen her anywhere at all? Please, 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 because, you know, the family right now, is missing her so much. Not only her, there is others. You understand? So if you've seen her anywhere, please, want to just contact the nearest police station. Also, Roshan English, age 2 years old, is still missing, my wisdom warriors. I talked about it the other day in one of my videos. This 2-year-old child is still missing. He was last seen at home in Red Ground District, Old Harbour, wearing blue underpants. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and 2 feet 10 inches tall. If anybody have seen this baby, please to contact the Old Harbour Police Station on 876-203-3659. Take a good look at him, my wisdom warriors. Please, my Jamaican people, want to take a good look at this little baby. He's only a baby. He was last seen at home So, where is this baby? Where is this baby? I know they can't find the baby. Baby is still missing. He's only 2 years old, for God's sake. You understand me? And he's gone missing without a trace, just like that. Just like that. So please, guys, if anybody have seen this baby, because me I tell you, say, his parents right now really need this little boy. Come on, he's only 2. How could some people do such a thing? Why would people do things like this? He's only 2 years old. 2 years old, my wisdom warriors. And he just disappeared just like that. He's gone missing. Nobody no see nothing. Nobody no hear nothing. Something not right. Something not right. The government have to do something about these things. These missing children. The government has to do something about these missing children. Look on the kids them were missing from the state care. Nobody no know where them there. Nobody no know where them there at all. So where them kids they gone? Remember some talk about it, the other day, my wisdom warriors, about the 6 children them, we disappear, When the workers them go around, go check at 3:15 a.m. in the morning. Amount of work this so. And then go 3:15 a.m. in the morning. So what them the worker they did that do? What them did there? For them, listen, you see when you have a state care, I tell you no man, you have to be more vigilant. I tell you no. You have to know what you do. Because if a different, you have to know, you have too much worker for these pitney, for these kids missing. You have too much workers. I'm not going to stop talk about it. You understand? And this is what the government don't like. When they lick out against them. When they lick out against them, then walk and talk how you bring down Jamaica. This is not bring down Jamaica. We have to voice with opinion. 6 pitney missing from state care in Jamaica and nowhere to be found. 3:15 a.m. workers that work there, so them go round. And when they go round at 3:15, then it's the 6 of them. So what uno workers did there? Other day, Terra Long claims that he spend over 23 million on refurbish. So how you refurbish place and uno not set up camera? And even if you don't have camera, why the camera not working? No, me have to call on out. And we don't hear nothing. We don't hear nothing. You understand me? Them are something you need to put on a foot down. Come here and understand you don't have more than 20 workers. More than 20 workers at work in the state care. And only 44 pitney did it. And una tell me say, una no know where the pitney them gone or una no know when the pitney them left? Really? A una fool. So what una did I do? What una did I do? Una did I sleep? I wonder who are going to hold accountable for these things that happen. Because una no like when we talk about nobody for held accountable. Una no like that the word there. Una no like that the word there. Seriously. Come on, Jamaica. Come on, Jamaica. 6 kids missing. And me no see them out on a search. Me no see them a show nothing. Me no see them out on a search and a show we. And a video one little part. We see them a dig up and we no see nothing now. Go on. Come on, Jamaica. This is why me can't stop lick out against the government. I will never stop because Terra Long spent 23 million and refurbish that state care. Homestead place of safety in Stony Hill. I'm going to tell you now, it's when pitney missing, the first thing them I go say, I run with them, run away. That are the first thing I go say, I run with them, run away. That is the first thing. But I want to know, how comes you not have so much workers working there? So much workers. And you spend 23 million on top of it. So you don't have camera. You don't have somebody if you watch the cameras while other people do other things. Eh? Me tell you about you know. If you don't have a state care facilities, you don't know what's the same way like how you pre the pitney them, the pitney are pre you know. Yeah, because if a child want escape, then just check phone routine and just observe you know. That's all them have to do. The worst when una idle, can no found workers idle, una idlers. Una not do nothing. Una gonna sit down, una gonna sleep, una not pay attention to the pity them. So me want know who I go held responsible for this. And that me want know, you know. Because we don't know what the pity them there. I mean, I hear them talk about no team gone out, no search team gone out. Me no hear them talk nothing. You understand me? My wisdom warriors, me I tell you no, man. Me I tell you no. It's like a pity the end just gone and that's it. That's it. That's all. Nothing. Nothing. You not hear nothing. You not hear nothing. Them are something I need to stop. Una need to do better. Una can't spend 23 million refurbish and una have camera. And even if una have camera, the camera now work. Because how the pity they ain't gone. If I remember say I check, they ain't go check. I check, they ain't go check at 3:15. Check, they ain't go check. That means if una go check at 3:59, everybody gone. That means nobody know they over that the department there. Boy, me don't know. My wisdom warriors. Jaja, it rough. It rough. We have to pray for our kids on this island. We have to pray for we pitney them. We have to put God before them. Put God in a them. Put God around them. We have to. Jano. My wisdom warriors, una tell me what you think about all these missing kids. Tell me what come to your mind. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness urged Jamaicans to take the necessary precautionary steps for adverse weather conditions as Beryl strengthened into the first hurricane of the 2024 Atlantic season on Saturday, with forecasters warning it will swiftly become a major storm. So everybody, wanna send a video to your friends and your families because this looks serious, you know. This looks serious. Make sure so you go buy on a grocery, on go buy on a candle, everything what you need. What you know, so when a hurricane time, you need everything. Please, me I beg you, go and get on items from now. You understand me? Because this look very, very serious. You understand? It is prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure, my wisdom warrior. So, you notice me I go always talk about this. Me I go always remind you up until whenever. So from now on, every single time I post a video, me I go always talk about this. Because you know, me have to drag on a memory. Me have to remind the people them. Because some people take it for joke. This is not a joke thing. You understand? Some people taking it for a joke. It's not a joke thing. You understand me? We don't want no storm at Jamaica. So una have to go good on pound knee right now and start pray and ask God. Ask God to send it to the pit of hell. You get me? Not to Jamaica. We don't want that. We can't manage a hurricane right now. We can't manage a hurricane. Too much things are going in Jamaica. Too much things are going in Jamaica. We can't manage it, my wisdom warriors. We cannot. I want to see Andrew Holness come out. I want to see him face look. Looking for him face, him look worried. I don't know why, but I'm looking at him when he talk. And this look like it's serious. Even though a lot of people don't want to believe your words, you better believe because this is about life. You understand me? This is about life. Yeah? You know, I read a comment, maybe the person got hear me now and the person say, like, it's like them laughing or something like that because I said, Andrew Holness never mentioned nothing about healthcare system for be prepared. Yeah? And listen, healthcare system have to be prepared too because when hurricane happen, a lot of people lost their lives. Oh, no, know that. Oh, no, know that. Right. And a lot of people need help. You understand? Urgently. When these things, because remember, you know, when hurricane come, remember when I have to think about mudslides and all them something that, you know. You understand? Wind, you know. Remember say thing, you know, a fling, you know. When remember people have whole heap of all broke out a door, you know. It come like, no, what go on. Remember say people have whole heap of all zinc. Who all things around their yard. So when time wind start blow and rain start fall, the zinc then start blow all over and it will hurt people. So una have to understand, so una must know where me I come from. So some people don't really get it, you know, when me I talk. Some people don't get it, but me think deep. You see me, I'm a critical thinker. That is why a lot of people don't understand where me I come from and where me I go. A lot of people don't understand it, my wisdom warriors, when me talk. Only who they here with me a long time, but who just come, we get it. Who just come we get it. When me say Andrew Holness never mentioned that the healthcare system for prepared. They have to prepared because all zinc fly, all this fly. Remember say people like to dash all things out of door, you know. So when the wind start blowing now, what do you think is gonna happen? It's gonna fly all about and lick down people and even kill people too. So that's why I say the healthcare system have to be prepared. On a wrong me upon that? Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, guys, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let me just remind you guys, when you like my video, it go round in the algorithm. YouTube send it round in the algorithm. This is why I ask you guys to like and share and subscribe. It doesn't cost a penny. It is free. It is free to like, share, and subscribe. Some people don't know that. So I have to just remind you, say it is free. And guys, I just want to show my appreciation by saying thank you for supporting to my channel. I really, really appreciate it. You can see that I'm at 25.9 going. We're going straight to 30K. So if everybody, when I subscribe yet, you can do me a favor and just subscribe to my channel and get me to 30K. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. It means the world to me. To all of my new subscribers, big up on yourself. To all of my long time foundation subscribers, big up on a nice clean self right there. So because you know where me I come from, you know. Yeah man, you there with me from day one. So big up on yourself. I just want to big up Chrissy Hutchinson. I just want to big up Natalia. I just want to big up Bolo. I want to big up Barbara. Hey, some name what me remember. Me not remember everybody name. I want to big up Florence. I want to big up Godson. Listen, guys, this is just off of my head. Me not write it down. But I remember when I'm doing the premiere, me always soon in at the comment section. Always a type. I want to big up Major Daps. I want to big up, did I say Florence? Florence. Lord Jesus, me can't remember everybody name. But everybody that, Nikki me love, big up yourself. Yvonne, big up yourself. Lord Jesus, no for uno. Everybody that has been, you know, taking part in the live chat, big up on yourself. Thank you so much. Pat W, me not forget about you, darling. Big up on us. Hey, listen to me. Me like when uno come up in the comment section, you know, and talk up things them, you know. Yes, man, me like it. Me like that. So respect to everybody that has been supporting my channel right through. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And also, if you want to reach me, if you want to send me any videos, any information, anything, want to talk to me, anything, you can just contact me on WhatsApp, 876-236-9097. If you want to support my movement, you can do so by blessing up my PayPal and my Zelle. The link I got there in the comment section. Blessings upon blessings. One love.